Well, you shouldn't have crawled up there
Man,
then.
no shit. I think you just wanted to cut it.
He just went to cut. Holy shit, that ladder moved like a mug.
Oh, fuck that. That piece of shit is about to come out of the end of it. Look at that fucking wonderful end cap they made.
There went the ceiling.
That's an end cap?
It's supposed to be.
It ain't even sealed. I should have just left that ladder over there, huh?
Yeah, can you put the fucking ladder on?
Well, nobody said shit.
Put the ladder back.
Did nobody say shit?
Look, Max is like, well.
And that's the shit we do for money every day.
Toss that motherfucker off there.
You ready?
Richard.
Oh, no, we're not going to toss that again. Oh. You got
What?
PVC right in front of you.
Oh, you're clear right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's plenty of room.
Yeah. See that? Oh.
Hey, we got a box in the front, electrical box right here in the front.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to pick it up over there.
Olay.
There you go.
I'm gonna do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah. Doo-dah.
Wait, go ahead and put that ladder in there real quick. We'll toss it off.
Look at you, Chris. Strong man. You know, strong man. Takes one to know one. No, I'm just kidding.
That's fucking tricky. That was slick, man.
Slicker than a minute's dick.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright, man.
Toss that motherfucker off there.
Well, that's the plan, man.
Or do it.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.